The Elohim, you my greatest weapon. And I can't neglect it. Where can I go from your spirit? Or where can I flee from your presence? In the book of Psalms, let's get it. My pride too big, I'ma check it. Spirit will come in and correct it. God is only one present. He don't wanna hurt my message. Rain down all these blessings. Ain't do it on my own, I was stressing, guessing. Think about what's next, so I'm about to step in. Open the door and let my help in. Before I know it,